Starting a business is exciting, but let's be real, it can also be terrifying. You've got the idea, maybe even the product, but how do you get people to actually find you? How do you get traffic, attention, and sales in a world where everyone's scrolling, swiping, and ignoring? Well, today I'm breaking it down. How to market your new business online, even if you have zero experience and a limited budget. Whether you're launching a side hustle, a service-based biz, or your first product, these are the exact steps I recommend to get online, show up, and grow fast. Let's make this make sense, step by step. Let's start with your digital home base. You need a website, not just a social media handle, not just a bio link, a real clean branded space online that you actually own. And before you say, but websites are hard, nah, not anymore. There are beginner-friendly platforms like Wix or Squarespace that let you build by dragging and dropping. There's also Inkaloo, our in-house tool that's built specifically for speed and simplicity. And if you want more advanced customization, you can use WordPress with the Elementor plugin. No matter what platform you choose, your website should include a clear About section, a breakdown of what you offer, a way to contact or book you, and a simple call to action, like get a quote or shop now. And to make sure you're getting the most out of your website, make sure your website loads fast on mobile, because that's where the majority of your traffic is coming from. Now, if you're a local business, this next step is non-negotiable. Go to Google Business Profile and claim your listing. This is what shows up when someone searches for coffee shop near me or tattoo artist in Philadelphia. Once you claim your listing, fill out everything: your location, your business hours, your services or products, photos of your space or your work, and a link to your website. Then, ask your early customers to leave you a Google review. This is free marketing that gets you on Google Maps, in search results, and even in voice searches through Siri or Google Assistant. It's one of the fastest ways to build local trust online, especially when you're not ready to spend on paid ads yet. Next, let's talk about social media. And no, you don't need to be everywhere. Pick one or two platforms and focus on showing up consistently. Tell your story. Make it easy for people to trust you. If you're not sure where to start, Instagram is great for visual content, reels, and behind the scenes. Facebook is strong for local communities, groups, and older audiences. TikTok is ideal if you want fast growth through short-form content. And LinkedIn is perfect for B2B or professional services. Once you choose your platforms, get your bio dialed in. Make sure it clearly says who you help and how. Post a few solid photos or videos to start. Then aim to post 3 to 4 times a week, even if it's just simple stuff like process videos, customer testimonials, or helpful tips. To stay consistent, use content pillars. You can rotate between behind-the-scenes content, customer stories, educational tips, and posts about your product or service. And don't sleep on going live. Even quick live streams help you build trust super fast. Here's a pro move that most new businesses skip. Start collecting emails from day one. Why? Because you don't own your followers, but you do own your email list. Use a beginner-friendly platform like MailChimp, MailerLite, or Flowdesk, or just integrate email collection into your site using a tool like Inkaloo, Socialocca's very own website builder. To encourage signups, offer something small and valuable. That could be a free download, a discount, or early access to something you're launching. Even if you only get a few signups each week, it adds up. And when it's time to promote a product or run a sale, you've got a direct line to your audience that you control. Once you've got your foundation, your website, your social accounts, and your email list, you can start testing smart paid ads. But don't worry, this doesn't mean you need a huge budget. You can start with as little as $5 to $10 per day. Facebook and Instagram ads work well for local targeting or interest-based targeting. Google search ads are great for reaching people who are already looking for what you offer. And if you're on TikTok and a post is performing well, try running it as a Spark ad. Here's the key though, don't just boost random posts, set up a simple funnel. Your ad should lead to a landing page, which leads to an offer or an email opt-in. And always track what's working so you can improve fast. All right, rapid fire. Here are some bonus tips that can make a big difference. Get started on local directories like Yelp, Bing, Nextdoor, and Apple Maps. Ask for referrals and testimonials, especially early on when you're just building trust. Create short-form video content. It's the fastest way to build connections. Join niche Facebook groups or online communities where your ideal audience is active. Answer questions on Reddit or Quora that are relevant to your niche. And shameless plug, use the Socialocca digital marketing toolkit. We've got tools to make this whole process of online marketing a whole lot easier. Check out that download link in the description on this video. Here's one final personal tip from me, something I see a lot of new businesses overlook. Try to keep your social media handles consistent across all platforms. I get it. Sometimes the exact name you want is taken, but if you can come up with something original that's available everywhere, it makes a huge difference. People can find you faster, remember you easier, and trust that they're in the right place. So before you commit to your business name, check. Is the domain available? Can you get the same handle on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and X? It's a small branding move, but a very worthwhile one. So if you're sitting there wondering, how do I actually market my new business? Just remember this. You don't need to go viral. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up online, be clear about what you offer, and make it easy for people to connect with you. Start with a simple website. Claim your Google listing. Build a social presence. Set up a way to capture leads, and follow a consistent content plan. Keep showing up, and it all grows from there. If you want help building your brand online, we do this all day, every day over at Socialocca. Hit the link in the description if you're ready to grow your business and evolve your digital strategy. Need help getting started? Head over to socialocca.io and follow for more digital growth tips every week. And drop a comment if you're launching something new. I'll cheer you on. We'll see you in the next video.